Shenzhen Peicheng Technology Company Limited was founded many years and engaged in intelligent products for high-end consumer electronics industry, such as tablet PC, Bluetooth speaker. In view of long-term mutual benefit cooperation with customers, we care about customers' quality, price, service concerns. Quality is our top priority. We use original Samsung Hynix chips in all our memory products. We have established long-term cooperation with reliable suppliers of battery, accessories, and other materials. We conduct strict quality tests in all processes from product develop and design, raw material purchasing, production, aging testing, packing, and delivery. Lots of our products can and have passed international tests and obtained the certifications like Energy Star, CE, ROS, and FCC. Price is our key policy. With the support of our efficient management, we can control the cost of raw materials, OEM and R&D well, so we can offer customers the competitive price to make customers outstanding among numerous competitors. Service is our important principle. We can understand, consider, and fulfill customers' specific brand, logo printing, packing design requirement. Accept strict quality control when producing. We offer 12 months warranty for all products. Committed to the motto of providing first-class quality, competitive price, and perfect service to our customers. We are confident that Peicheng can be your OEM/ODM business partner.